Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to do your makeup so it could last throughout the whole day. I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks so that way your makeup stays stunning throughout the whole day. So if you're curious to find out how I do my makeup, then definitely keep on watching. And before we start the video, my loves, I invite you to join my channel by subscribing and also hitting that bell notification so that way you guys stay notified whenever I post a video. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. But yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. All right, you guys, so my skin, it's already prepped, and what I use on my skin is first I go with this baby right here. This is from the pharmacy. Feeling good. This is a serum that has hyaluronic acid and plumping serum. So this is really gonna hydrate and smooth your skin, which is doing right now, which I really love. When you put this in the morning, you guys, it just feels super refreshing and super hydrating. So I love to use this in the morning. And also I go ahead, even though I'm an oily skin, I always moisturize my face because it just helps your skin overall. So I went ahead and used the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. This I recommend if you are an oily skin. That is basically all I use. I also use an eye cream from CeraVe, which I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you guys can see. So I put it like underneath my eyes. A lot of people say that eye creams are not really like essential, but for me it is because I use makeup and it just helps my under eyes feel refreshed and smooth as well. But yeah guys, so that is my skin. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my powder puff. This I got it from Amazon, which I'm gonna do a Amazon must-have very soon. But I got this baby from Amazon, and I got my translucent powder. This is from Laura Mercier, so grab just a little bit and we're just gonna pat it on the face. And you don't want to put a lot, you know, just a little bit. And also, you guys, don't forget your neck. Your neck is really important, especially in the summer, because you don't want your foundation to smear on your neck, you know. So definitely apply it on your neck. So this routine, I got it from TikTok. It says that it helps just maintain your foundation throughout the whole day, and I tried it and it does work, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer, and the primer I'm gonna be using today is this baby right here. This is the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams primer, and this primer is really gonna even out your skin and help your foundation apply smoothly. Alright guys, so that is the process of prepping your skin first. Now I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows very quickly, and then I'm gonna come back and apply my foundation and concealer. So I'll be back with you guys in a second. Alright you guys, so the brows is done, and what I want to add so that way my eyebrows doesn't move throughout the day is this baby right here. This is the Milani brow gel, and this gel is really gonna help your brows stay in put. Next thing I'm gonna do is apply my foundation, and the foundation I'm gonna be using today is this baby right here. This is the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear foundation, and I absolutely love this foundation because first of all it has an SPF of 25, so that's really gonna help you have that sunscreen protection on your skin while you are looking cute. And this is in the shade 455 Natural Buff. So you want to start off like on this side of the face, really blend that foundation, and then whatever you have left on the sponge, you basically blend it right here on the area of your face. And the reason why you don't want to put a lot of foundation right here is because you're gonna go ahead and apply concealer. So concealer, I think it's enough to apply on this area. The less product you use, the more your skin is gonna look fresh. It's gonna look like your skin, but better. Now that I applied the foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer. I'm gonna be using this baby right here. This is my go-to concealer from e.l.f. and this is the 16-hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish. If you are an oily skin, I recommend a matte concealer, and if you are a dry skin, I recommend their hydrating concealer. All right, now that I dry a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my chin first. So the foundation and the concealer is nicely blended, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is spray my setting spray. This is really gonna help set the foundation and concealer. Now we're gonna go ahead and set our face using the translucent powder. So before you set your face, make sure that the concealer is nicely blended underneath your eyes. You don't want any crease going on. Now I'm gonna grab my powder puff and I'm gonna set my under eyes. I really love how my complexion is coming out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do an eyeshadow look. It's gonna be a very neutral look. So I'm gonna make sure that my eyelids is blended. And you don't want to set your eyelids because you're gonna set it with the eyeshadow. So this is the only part that you don't really have to set with the translucent powder. Grabbing this shade right here, this is called Squat, and I'm gonna start on the outer edge and really packing that color there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color yellowish, and this is called Leo Babe. Now I want to brighten up my inner corner, so I'm gonna apply this baby right here. This is called Grateful. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna do like a wing eyeliner using the eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab this one right here. This is called Date Night. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do like a cat eye in my inner corner. Alright you guys, so that is basically the process of me doing my complexion, so that way it lasts throughout the whole day. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do like the normal thing that I do, apply my bronzer, and I'm gonna finish off doing my eyelashes, and I'm gonna finish off doing the rest of my face off camera. I just wanted to show you guys what I do before applying my foundation, so that way it stays throughout the whole day. So with that being said, my loves, I will be back with you guys in a second. Alright my love, so the makeup it's done, and this is how my makeup turned out today. I am absolutely in love with this makeup. Everything that I use on my face today, I'm gonna leave in the description down below, so definitely check out the description down below. But yeah you guys, last thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, so that way our makeup doesn't move throughout the whole day, which is the purpose of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and spray one last time. Again, going with the Makeup Revolution setting spray, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I also want to say another tip you guys, so throughout the day you will get oily, that's for sure, especially if you are an oily person. So what I go ahead and also do is, for me personally, I get oily on my forehead and on my cheeks. and as well as my nose. So I went ahead and bought this e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder, and when I tried this baby out, I absolutely fell in love. It definitely sets your face, but I also use it to set my oiliness throughout the day. So if I get super oily, I make sure to take like a brush as well. I go ahead and dip into the brush and I set where I get oily, and this baby is definitely gonna put your makeup in place again and not make you shiny. So that's one tip that I recommend and that I do throughout the day, so that way I don't look really oily. But yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification, so that way you guys stay notified whenever I post a video. But if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.